Merry Christmas! Hey, welcome to this Christmas collab of YouTuber tumbler makers. Today, I feel like I'm a little underdressed. Give me 1 second. Whoa, ho, ho, hey, that's better. Santa sent me to personally invite you to be one of his secret Santas. What? He even sent his magic bag with a present in it just for you. In this box, Santa has selected another YouTuber tumbler maker for you to make a tumbler to and give it to on Christmas. What? So let's see who you got. I'm gonna take a peek. Oh my gosh. You're gonna love it. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. You get to make a tumbler gift for, are you ready? Are you sure? Are you ready?
Awesome job, Duncan. Now let's get started on making our cup for Sandy. You'll notice I am working with a 30 sublimated tumbler, and I did go ahead and sand this down because I really wanted to show you guys you can use sublimations when you're in a pinch. You do not need to sand this all the way down to the stainless steel. Just take the glossy off and you're ready to go. So for this Christmas themed tumbler, I am going to be using the plaid vinyl from AB Designs. So I've already pre-cut my strips for the top and the bottom. These strips are approximately 1 inch in width. And I'm very carefully going to place this at the top and the bottom of the tumbler. While placing this at the top and the bottom of the tumbler, I do want to stay up off that rim a little bit, as well as I'm going to do the same for when I get down to the bottom. Once we've made it to the other side, we're going to go ahead and use our X-Acto knife and trim off the excess vinyl. I would like to take a moment to thank Taylor from Duncan Custom Airbrush for inviting myself and many other YouTubers to participate in this huge Secret Santa collaboration. I had such a great time doing this. I hope to do it again next year. Make sure you check out all the other amazing YouTubers that participated in this collaboration. All their links will be in my description below. And once again, once we meet up to the back side here, we're going to go ahead and take our X-Acto knife to trim off that excess. This time I'm going to use my handy dandy measuring tape just to make sure my seams up at the top and the bottom match. So for this step, it's time to go ahead and tape off because I've already pre-measured in where I want my sections of glitter to be. So I have 3 sections, and I'm going to go ahead and paint this tumbler heirloom white so that I can glitter. For the bottom section, I'm going to be using one of my favorite colors of glitter from AB Designs, which is Platinum Daddy. For the top section, I'm going to be using Flame and Pirate, in which the two I mixed for the top portion to be glittered. You'll notice that this time I'm coming in actually with a second coat of the clear seal and my glitter. You want to make sure you have a solid glitter application before moving on to your epoxy coat. Hey, also make sure you stick around so you can see Sandy unboxing her gift. Once you are happy with your glitter application, we're going to go ahead and remove the tape from the top and the bottom immediately. Then we're going to seal this really well before moving on to a coat of epoxy. So for the first coat of epoxy, I am going to be using Fast Set from Counterculture DIY. So I know you guys can see that my center looks very wonky, but not to worry because I have the perfect filler and you're not even going to be able to see that. So I bought this huge box of different colored beautiful foils off of Amazon. I'm going to have the link for you guys down in the description for you below. So now I'm going to choose 3 different colors, and I want to use black, gold, and red. Now, if you've never worked with foils before, I'm going to tell you they are super messy. So I'm just going to use a plastic bag to go ahead and shove all of my pieces that I want as evenly as possible within this bag. So then I can just crunch it up and hopefully make less of a mess. Definitely have a love-hate relationship with foil. But the outcome using these foils in this way is absolutely stunning and just gives the whole tumbler a new dynamic. Once your tumbler is completely cured, for my sake, I'm going to go ahead and tape off and use parchment paper to protect my tumbler. This is just to prevent a lot of the cleanup that the foil is going to cause once I'm done. However, if you are comfortable with using foil, you can easily skip this step. Once our tumbler is completely protected, I'm now going to go in using Tack It, but I'm not going to use it its traditional way. I'm honestly just going to be using it as a glue adhesive, if you will, for my foil. So I am not going to allow this to go clear. I'm going to go right in once I have this fully covered with the Tack It and just apply my foil. So you might notice that I started off with a paintbrush that's just in frame. Let me tell you, not a great idea. It was taking forever and I decided just to get my hands dirty and go all in, and this actually worked so much better. So you'll notice that I'm tapping and rubbing ever so carefully just to get this everywhere in that section that I really wanted it to be. As you can see, this stuff is crazy messy and it sticks to your tumbler like it will stick to your acrylic nails. It is a hot mess. Like I said before, this stuff is absolutely amazing and can really enhance your tumbler a great deal. So at the end of the day, I really think it is absolutely worth it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments when you see this tumbler completed. I really hope you guys are enjoying this video, and if so, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials coming soon. Also, don't forget to click that bell to get notifications. Okay, so once you have this entire section filled in with the foil, you're going to want to make sure you have your hands and everything nice and cleaned up. We're going to remove the tape and the parchment paper, make sure everything is nice and tight, and then we're going to get ready to epoxy. Before you epoxy, make sure you use clear seal and seal in this foil because you would not want this foil to come off and contaminate the rest of your tumbler once you start the epoxy. So for my second coat of epoxy, I am again going to be using Fast Set from Counterculture DIY. I clear sealed this tumbler and allowed that to dry for about 30 minutes before coming into this coat of epoxy. As with any coats of epoxy, make sure you use your heat torch to pop any bubbles you may or may not be able to see. So now once our tumbler has fully cured, we are ready to go ahead and decal. Today I'm going to be using a fun Merry Christmas with an old style truck from AB Designs. This is a clear cast decal. I am going to be using a transfer sheet just because I have found that it's so much easier to apply these using transfer sheets versus the other way around. And that's also probably because I like to cut mine down as close to the image as I can get, though that's not necessary to do. When placing these clear cast decals onto a tumbler, you want to make sure that it's on an epoxied, non-sanded surface. When placing these clear cast decals, it's always best to work from the center out. That will really help you prevent air pockets and wrinkles. So by now you might notice in this clip that this tumbler looks slightly different. I just was not satisfied with my glitter application. That was my own fault. So I decided to go in with a cheetah print, beautiful matching design to go with this tumbler from AB Designs. I think this was the perfect example to show you guys in which you can fix a tumbler and it's not an end all be all. It's a very simple fix to what you think might be a mistake. So to incorporate a little more cheetah, I'm going to take this clear cast decal and I'm just going to cut out what I want to use to wrap around in the Platinum Daddy glitter section. So once you have all of your decals in place and you're very happy with that, this does not need to be sealed. Once we're all done with the design process, we're ready to move right into the epoxy. So once again, for this coat of epoxy, I'm going to be using the Fast Set from Counterculture DIY. Once this fast set cures, I can then go in and finish doing my trim around that new cheetah print that I decided to use. Now that our tumbler is fully cured, I'm going to go in with the same nail tape that I used for the rest of the tumbler, which is a beautiful red nail tape from AB Designs. Once this step is complete, I am ready to go in for another coat of epoxy. Now, because I did add that vinyl strip, the cheetah print, this tumbler did take one more final coat of epoxy, which I used the artist resin from Counterculture DIY, and it was completed. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you guys all enjoyed this Santa Secret collaboration with all of us YouTubers. I'm hoping this becomes a thing. Make sure you stick around so that you can see Sandy unboxing her gift. Be sure to find me on TikTok under Rebecca Escott, Facebook at Everything Tumbler Tutorials for continued learning. Remember, all links will be in the description for you guys below.
Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I can't believe I am getting a tumbler made by you, Rebecca. I'm like so nervous, right? I can't wait to open this right now. I have my box here. Ooh, don't want to show a name or addresses, I guess. Got my box and I'm ready to open it up. So got my scissors. All right, I got the box open. I'm so excited. Oh, the first thing, she sent me a hoodie. How awesome. That is so awesome. I cannot wait to put that on. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. It's definitely getting a little cooler here, you know, some nights. Oh my goodness, there's so much in here. Oh my gosh, there's so many like little nail tapes, all kinds of little nail tapes and everything. Oh, I'm moving my stuff around. There we go. All kinds of little nail tapes, a brush, all kinds of stuff. So cute. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at those little, what are they? Chameleon Powders. I've never used those before. I'm gonna have to definitely give those a try. From AB Design. I'm definitely gonna have to give that a try. So cute. Let's see what this, oh, a bunch of little decals and stuff. How cute. Thank you. It looks like something that was 3D printed. Oh, here's the other little piece. I believe it's a cup cradle. It's 3D printed. That is so awesome. Thank you. I'll just put that together in a little bit. I know we don't have much time. Everything is so cute. I'm just so excited. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of stuff at the bottom here. And of course there's a tumbler here too. I set it off to the side. We'll open that here in a second, but I just wanted to show all these extra little goodies she gave me. Look at how cute. So cute. Thank you so very much. You did not have to do this. I'm so excited. All right, now for the tumbler. I'm gonna go ahead, get that unwrapped. Okay, good. Put that off to the side there. Okay, got my tumbler. So excited. Oh my goodness, that is just flawless. It is amazing. Wow, look at that. I love it so much. There you go. There's some leopard and a little car. It says Merry Christmas on it. Just look at that. So beautiful. I am just so overwhelmed and so thankful and happy. And I am so happy that I was able to be a part of this. And this has just been so much fun. And I cannot wait to use my beautiful tumbler all season long. And I can't thank you enough for all the extra little goodies that you put into this box. I can't wait to use those as well. Thank you so very much.